Hello everyone, welcome to the DecoArt Studios. My name is Pla Schneider.
And I'm Crimson Duvall.
And you know, the holidays are right around the corner and today's Facebook Live is all about the cones. So you guys need to get these surfaces. Before we get into the cute projects, I want to talk about the giveaway. Simply comment, let us know what your favorite DecoArt product is, and you'll be automatically entered to win. The winner will be announced on Monday. Now, what is it that people will be winning, or the lucky winner will be winning? It's going to be a total of 12 products, and it's going to be an assortment, which is really cool.
That's great.
It's going to be Americana multi-surface satins. It's going to be Americana decor texture, and one of my favorites, snow-tex.
So that metallic is so beautiful.
I know. I love all the textures, but I especially love the metallics. So speaking of metallics, I'm going to demo how to make this little tree first. I'm starting with the texture metallic in the aquamarine, but I want to show you how thick and rich it is. So if it accidentally spills over, nothing will happen.
Oh, that's good. It's like a blizzard.
Yes. Okay, so I'm starting at the bottom, and this is a cardboard cone, and I'm simply applying it all the way around. But after I apply it, I'm gonna just do some vertical strokes.
Oh, nice.
Right? And
Lori's joining us.
Hi! Thanks for being here. So as I continue on this tree, do you have something cool to show us? I think you do.
Well, I have these plastic cones that are really nice. I mean, they're so versatile, and you can see other projects that we've done with them as well. But I try to go with a Nordic, Scandinavian vibe, a simple pattern, and then the woodland creature. You can pick any creature you'd like. I just picked a bear and a deer and a squirrel. First, you just start off with the clear cones. And they're just flimsy, but they look really nice when they're finished. First, you start off with a base coat, and I used I believe it was the Night Sky, and that's a multi-surface.
I love that Night Sky.
Yeah, it's a beautiful color. And I just did several coats. You can layer it up, but you can also, to save paint if you want, you can paint the inside of your cone, and that way it's more versatile, and that way the light doesn't shine through. And then, it gives you a option if you wanted to cut out some of your shapes. You can put a light in there or something, make a lamp. So what I did was I used the paint marker for glass, and I just freehanded these shapes, but you could obviously use a stencil or any design you want. These are really fun to draw with, so I love to freehand it. So I just repeated it around.
And the pattern will be on DecoArt.com, you guys. Hi, Pam from Canada. Hello, Lori. You love using the texture paints? Me too. Hi, Jill. And Lika, thank you all for being here. Yeah. And good luck to everyone.
Yeah, so you just go around the cone and then just do whatever you like. Just have fun with it. And then I just drew a little bit into the animals to make it blend into the pattern. So it's really simple.
Easy breezy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just topping off this cone. So you could see how quickly I sort of got through it.
Oh, it's like icing.
Show you the finishing touches. Okay, so it's already, slathered on, but then we want to do the vertical swipes here.
Lori's joining us from Jackson, Tennessee.
Hi. Okay, then what you're going to do is get some pretty embellishments. Let me set this down.
I love how there's so many different possibilities.
Oh my gosh, I know. Now, while it's still wet, you're just going to sprinkle your embellishments right on. So that's one option. I do want to show you a couple more. This one here, you start off with the same exact technique, and instead of sprinkling the the embellishments, you just sort of press them in. So you don't need glue because the texture acts as a glue. And I'm going to show you one more. This gold one, which I love.
It, yeah.
The cute little gold stars and then the red embellishments on the bottom. Very traditional. Okay, I have one more super fun thing to show you.
Hi Rhonda, how are you? Yeah, the metallic, she thinks the metallic texture is great. I do too. So fun.
Now, if you pan over here, it's back to using the plastic cones, and I think they look like glass.
They do.
But you know, they're just plastic, very, very simple. So that technique there, I have an acronym for it. I call it SASSY. And that's an easy way for you guys to remember how to do it. If you can simply do short and swift strokes, you can create that look. So I have the multi-surface satins here in shrimp, and I'm literally just doing short and swift strokes.
Perfect.
And I want to show you an easy way to ombre as well. So I have one single color, the shrimp, and then white. I'm going to mix the two. And as I go up the tree, I'm just going to go lighter and lighter. And then at the very top, if you could see, it just ends in white. So if you just do that all the way around, that's the finished product that you have.
I love that. It's so simple, but it looks so elegant.
Yes. So if you guys are ready for one more, this polar bear, kind of like a snow globe, I guess you can say.
Like that.
It looks pretty complicated, but it's so easy. So what you're going to do is start off with a piece of cardboard, and you're cutting it slightly smaller than the base of the cone because you want it to be elevated a little bit. Now the bottom is simply a roll of tape that's glued on. And back to the snow-tex, which I love.
This texture is nice too.
It looks just like real snow, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's so fluffy.
Yeah. So you're literally just going to slather it on. And a nice, you know, thick amount.
That's nice. Hi, Holly. Thank you. Yeah, she loves the polar bear one. I do too. It's so neat.
And you know, you're going to go all the way to the edges, of course, but just for the sake of showing you how to do it. Then what you're going to do is, again, this is sort of going to work as a glue. There's no need to glue the little reindeer. Just press them in. And plus it looks like they're actually in the snow, you know.
And it dries really, does it dry stiff?
Yes.
Yes.
So, you know, you would go to the edges, of course, wait for it to dry. Then on the globe, on the cone, snow globe cone, I guess you could say, you would apply...
Snow cone.
That's good, snow cone. Apply the snow-tex to the bottom all the way around, and then a little bit on top. So once both pieces are dry, you're just going to put it right on top. And that's it. Now on the polar bears, because they're white, and of course the snow-tex is white, they were sort of getting lost. So I did add a little bit of the texture to the back. With this one, I don't think it's necessary, but you know, it's just giving you a couple more options.
And you could add lights to this one too as well, probably.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So who else is joining us? Hi, everyone. Okay, I want to tell you about the awesome sale that we're having.
Oh, yes.
So it's going to run Friday through...
Black Friday to Saturday.
Black Friday all the way through Monday, right? And it's shipping in the U.S. is free if you spend over $40.
Oh, great.
And everything is 40% off. So that's huge, you guys. That's a great way to start your DecoArt product collection.
On my list.
So thank you for being here. Remember to comment and you'll be automatically entered to win. Go to DecoArt.com for more project ideas and hope to see you next time. Happy holidays.
Thank you.